What's up? This is me. It's my car. This Dave mechanic, man, coming out here 6 in the morning, fixing my car for me.
Stuck on the side of the road again. Hey Dave. He always come and hold me down. I get stuck on the E-way all the time, and no matter the time of the day, he come hold me down.
Start it up, go ahead. I'm like magic, baby.
My name Raw, and this is Dave the mechanic.
On this car. And the problem with that is this car doesn't even need an alternator. It doesn't even need me to do anything at all. All it needed was a jump. So I gave it a jump.
My name is Denise. Dave came out, checked the car. I thought it was the alternator. It wasn't starting. He came out, told me it was just a bad battery, and that's an honest mechanic to me. So I will call Dave every other time.